Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. How is everybody else doing with this lockdown? Let me know in the comments. We are on day 6 at the moment in South Africa. Look, for me, because I have health issues, the doctor actually put me off work 2 or 3 years ago, so I'm basically used to being home. There are certain jobs that I can still do, but it depends in our country if you can find a work like that. But I can't be on my feet for long periods of time, and like any other chronic diseases, it's up and down. Some days you feel great and other days you don't feel so good. So I'm used to being home. My husband not so much, and he is taking it much harder than I am. But I am missing our weekend trips that I used to share with you guys, and hopefully that will be back to normal very soon. But for today I have to clean out my room. I did a very deep clean of my house before this lockdown because I was suspecting it is going to happen, and I didn't want to spend days cleaning a house while my husband is home. It's just I'm just more comfortable doing it when I'm alone. But yes, since we are basically living in the room, we are going to deep clean that today. And my pigeon is still with me as well, so for obvious reasons they sit and groom their feathers the whole day. I have to clean up, and when I do the rest of the house, I'll show you guys that as well. Stay safe. Bye.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far,
Wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it.
This is why my room smells like a hospital, but this, I love the smell. And this has got alcohol in case you didn't know. For those that are looking for alcohol cleaners. And this. I have been using this routine before coronavirus. My house usually smells like a hospital, so nothing new for me. Woo, husband. Hey, come up, right?
Ja, wat?
Yeah, but this is just for under the bed. I will clean the rest
Don't have
later.
to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far,
Wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is. I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me.
And these are my periods. This frame I also bought from people. Also nice and cheap. Okay, welcome. This is my favorite series, House MG. I like the medical stuff. This is the benefit of having husband home. Usually I have to climb up there and clean. Nice to have some help. Daar is nog 'n kas, né? Nou wat nou? Sê weer wat jy nou net vir my gesê het. Lekker by die huis, né?
Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go.
Wandered to broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When I'm lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is. Still know you'll meet me at home.
Only after one room. The rest hasn't been done yet. And this was only basically the cameraman. Look at that. You want to swap places? You want to swap? I can go to work, you'll work here.
Still know you'll meet me at home. When I'm lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is. Still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions.